Ms. Lasky, you weren't actually present when the defendant strangled Ellis Joyner to death, correct?
No. The train stopped while they were still fighting, and I got off. But I saw the start of the fight. I saw Mr. Arnault grab Joyner by the arm and pull him away from me. And then I saw Joyner elbow him in the face.
Right, because Mr. Joyner was terrified. From his perspective, he was the one fighting for his life.
I don't know. It all happened really fast. And they were yelling at each other. And Mr. Arnault kept yelling at him to stop, to surrender, and that he was bleeding, and he was dirty. Or fighting dirty. I don't really remember the exact words. But Joyner didn't listen. He reached into his pocket, looked like he was trying to grab a knife. So Mr. Arnault tackled him, and they started wrestling. That's when the train stopped and I got off.
Just got off? You didn't tell anyone what was happening?
I wasn't thinking straight. Everything was happening at once. When the doors opened, I ran out to look for someone to tell, like a cop or something, but the subway station was empty. Then the doors closed and the train took off.
So that means you weren't there during the 3 minutes that Ellis Joyner was unconscious and the defendant continued to choke the life out of his body.
No, but like I said, I thought he had a knife. I'm sure Mr. Arnault did too.
Did you actually see a knife?
No, but...
Did you see a weapon of any kind?
No.
And you had no idea that Ellis Joyner was severely asthmatic.
I didn't at the time.
Mr. Joyner had been in an altercation with a fellow comic that night, then a fraught verbal argument with his boyfriend. High-stress situations can trigger an asthma attack. Ellis Joyner was having an asthma attack. He wasn't acting aggressively, nor was he mentally ill. He was simply having an asthma attack, and you misinterpreted his behavior. You saw a scary black man making a noise.
Objection.
Sustained.
Mr. Joyner's behavior that night was consistent with someone suffering from an asthma attack, correct?
Yes, I suppose. And if that's what it was, I feel terrible. Then this whole thing is... it's all my fault. But either way, Mr. Arnault came to my defense. He tried to help me. And he shouldn't be held responsible.